Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to see how we can access the dashboard and what are the options available on the dashboard of the PurpleTrendAI. You just click on login. I have already created my login credentials, so I entered mine, click login, and you directly land on the dashboard. So here you can see what's trending in your niche, what you can post, what you can create. This see trends option will help you for that. Then on the right hand side, you can see the performance of your social media accounts. If you have connected them, we'll see how to connect the social media accounts in the next videos. Then you have some inspiration on the bottom and some navigation options on the right hand sides. And then if you want to create some image with the AI tools, you can directly go to this page, create image post, or you can go to this create video option where you would find different options to create the videos. So this is just the introduction of the dashboard, how it looks like. And here you can see what credits you have as a balance, and then the navigations are available on the left hand side. We'll go in the details in the next videos. Thanks for watching.